Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be renovating this bureau slash drinks cabinet, and for sure I am going to be renovating it and making it into a real fun, real colorful and real unique drinks cabinet, and I'm just so excited about it. I can't wait to dig in. This furniture has got so much potential. It's got such beautiful characteristics as well. If you have a look at the carvings, the glass in the doors, the feet, it's just beautiful, it's just gorgeous, and yeah, it's going to be a great project. So enough talking, I'm so excited. I'm going to just get started with it, and yeah, let's see how this turns out. As usual, let's start this project with giving the furniture a thorough cleaning. I'm using the good old elbow grease and a bowl of soapy water. For the detailed areas like the flower carving, I am using a wire brush to clean all the nooks and crevices. Look how much dirt came off! All the inside gets cleaned too. And the feet. I wanted to renovate the feet and leave it natural wood. So after cleaning, I used the paint stripper to remove all the old finish. After the stripper has worked its magic, I then started to scrub off all the stripper and finish. For this task, I used many of my tools to make my life easier, which are scouring pad, wire brush, steel wool, scraper and elbow grease. While the feet was drying, I have put on my favorite warm and bright pink onesie and primed the rest of the furniture with Bin Zinsser shellac based primer. I love to use this primer because it helps the paint stick to the furniture a lot better and prevents any bleed-throughs. While the primer was drying, I was able to jump back onto the feet and sand it smooth using my detail sander. I was still deciding what product to use on the feet, so after I sanded it, I went back to the body of the cabinet and started painting. I chose this real bold and unique color this time because I felt like this would really suit this gorgeous furniture. I had this color for a long time, but I was never brave enough to use it. As you can see, I'm using a Craig and Rose paint again in the color called Medici Crimson. This is a really fun color and I very much enjoyed using it on this project. Here's a tip for you guys. When you are painting large areas, after you apply the paint, use long strokes to even out brush marks and leave a very smooth finish. After painting, I managed to choose the right finish for the feet, which is the Polyx Oil by Osmo. I really love working with this oil. It's so easy to work with and leaves a beautiful finish. Next, it was time to tackle the inside of the bureau part. I wanted to match all the wood, which meant I had to get rid of all the old finish. Then I used Polyx oil again. The last wooden parts were the shelves. Again, they needed stripping and refinishing with the Osmo oil. Just one final step before the project is finished, and it is to attach the handles. So here is a reminder of how we started. And here is the finished product. Well, this project was a labor of love. If you have followed me for a while, you know that I don't paint the inside of the furniture, but this time I really wanted to give this piece a complete makeover. I really wanted to pay attention to small details, wanted to make this project fun, bright and colorful, but not overwhelming. Well, although there were times when I questioned my life choices, I really loved using this gorgeous color. I love how this piece has turned out. It's exactly what I wanted, to create something bold, fun and different, and this piece ticks all the above. Okay, but that's enough of me. Let me know what you think of this project. Is the color too much? Would you have added more details? I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. I love hearing other ideas which I might use in the future. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and follow me for more furniture flips. I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Bye!